Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You should begin by confirming Docker Engine is installed and the daemon is running. This is non-negotiable. Next, create a project folder and add a concise Docker file that uses an official base image and copies your app. Once done, run docker build tmyapp latest. To produce an image, then list images with Docker images to confirm. These first actions get you from 0 to a concrete image you can run and iterate on immediately. Now focus on execution and iteration. You run containers with docker run dp host port, container port name to map ports and detach, then check docker ps to confirm status. If you need to debug, use docker logs container and docker execute container /bin/sh to enter the environment. For multi-service apps, create a Docker Compose. Iml, then Docker Compose up to orchestrate linked services. Make sure to version your images and tag changes so rolling back is straightforward. To finish, optimize and maintain your containers. Adopt multi-stage builds to shrink images, tag releases, and push to a registry using Docker push. Once done, set up restart policies and health checks so containers recover automatically. Periodically prune unused images and volumes to reclaim space. If something breaks, start by checking container logs, confirm port bindings with Docker PS, and ensure firewall or host port conflicts aren't blocking traffic. Fixing those three.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.